indicator, especially for the gold, the 5 minute time frame. Okay, guys, the new update, because I was not able to make the video on Friday, it was very late, and now you can see that the trading account that was started with $585, it has gained the very huge success, and right now the profit on $585 is $3,323.24. And I can show you from here. This is the Exness real account. You can even take that account number. You can go to the Exness live sport and you can ask that, is this your account number or not? They will tell you more details about it. Okay, and Exness is one of the top brokers in the world. And right now you can see my balance is 300 832. Okay, guys, now let me talk about one thing very funny, that I received one comment on YouTube channel that this is fake, this is not real. Okay, so first of all, I think so that you guys have no idea about the Exness broker. So first of all, go and find out that what is the Exness broker, how reputed it is, and then you will come to know. And what do you think that the thing that I'm showing right now, this is fake? No, this is nothing fake, because I'm showing you the genuine MT4. You can see this is the moving MT4. There are no jokes here. Okay, and this is the indicator. And come to me, I can provide you the proofs from all of the world, from almost all countries, who are actually making money with this indicator, and especially those subscribers who are into my Telegram channel and they are into the VIP groups. They are making huge amount of money every day from my signals, because you have two options, because this is the most expensive indicator in the trading history. And join my Telegram group, and they can join the VIP signal groups, and they can simply assess these signals, because I share 1 to 2 signals every day. Now let's talk about the Friday moves. Okay, we have the sell signal, we profited it from him. We have the buy signal, and then we have the sell signal, and all of the signal went profitable. You can see we have a drop on Friday. Okay, you can see we have taken the benefit from him, or from it. Okay, now let me tell you that this indicator is optimized for from the London session to late hours into the New York session. Okay, so you can easily trade the London session time after it, and you can easily trade the New York 3 to 5 hours after the New York session. But you cannot trade it into the Asian session, because if you look at the time here, then you can see it's 5:50 a.m. and this is 6 a.m. and this is not optimized for the Asian session, because if you will check the signals, then you can see they are coming at the 7:40 p.m. after the New York session, and you will see the magical results. Okay, look, these are the morning signals, and we don't trade in the morning. We only trade the market when there is a London session, something like this. Look, 6:50 p.m. here. Okay, so you know that at 6:50 this is the New York session edition, and you can see a significant drop. Okay, this is also before the after the London session. So this is the fantastic indicator that I have developed, and this is just for gold 5 minute. And we have solved the problem of the market, those who are losing money in the trading market, especially those who are trading gold. And this is the no repaint indicator. Come to me, this is the real account. I can even take you on a live call, and I can show you through a Google Meet link, and I can prove that account in front of you. And you can go to the broker and you can ask the details about it, and they will tell you, yes, this is the genuine person. Okay, so next time, instead of commenting such type of comments that this looks like fake and something like, at least do some research. Okay, it looks like that I'm unfortunately saying this, that my subscribers that are on FX Mentor US, those are watching this content. Okay, they have never seen such an accurate indicator in their history. So it's quite disgusting that they should work on learning. They should not be going to be so negative, because this is the genuine stuff. This is the no repent indicator. Okay, this is not optimized for any other thing. But let me show you that if there is any signal on gold, I can show you. Okay, on Bitcoin, because today it's Sunday. You can see we have a buy signal, but this is not optimized, because this is only optimized for gold 5 minute. But you can see, and this is how, let me check the 1 minute chart. It is not even optimized for 1 minute. Let me see that if there is any live signal, because I want to see. You can sell. Okay, you send the buy. Okay, so this there is no live signal, otherwise I can show you. Otherwise you can simply join my group, Telegram group. The link is provided in the description of this video below, and you can simply join my signals group. Okay, and you can, and I also providing the same one signal for free almost on a daily basis in my group, and my subscribers are already making money who are even into the free group. Okay, and just look at this account. Just imagine, I'm going to show you the whole trading history. Just look step by step and tell me if you are able to see any aggressive lot size. There is no aggressive lot size. 0.01 to 0.06. And if I had used like 0.30 40 on every trade, then I must be this account. This is the growth that we have received in 10 days. You can see the deposit date, whatever, what the first date was, 8th, and today it's 20. And you know that's 2 days are from the Saturday and Sunday, just move them. So this is the 10 days result. And you can simply see the last trading that is done on that account was on Friday, where the date was 18. So within 10 days this account has grown massively up. Otherwise this account must be staying at 30,000 US dollars. And you can see still some people were saying that this is not real. So that's why I also have initiated a withdrawal, and that was already credited to me. So just to show you people that this is the real account, this is not a demo account. If you still don't trust, then join the FX Mentor Telegram channel. I, for example, I will share, I share one signal every day. You will simply take that signal, and then you will come to know that this is real or fake, and that will be your answer. Okay. Okay, now guys, the question is that this indicator is not for everyone. Okay, first of all, go to my website, fxmentorus.com. The link is given in the description of this video below. If you go to the indicator section here, the first indicator is the gold 5 minute. Okay, so this is very expensive. If you want to get the normal indicators, then you can get my bank indicator, swing trading guru, the moving average indicator. But this one is very expensive, so you need to give me an offer, and I will tell you that how this indicator is sold on the basis of offers. And if you have time, then read the last paragraph on that website, where I have mentioned that this beauty is not for everyone. It's only for those who can afford this beauty, because this is not a thing that can be developed every day, and this is the thing that need to save from the big institutions, the banks especially. And this indicator is fantastic. It provides you the fake down. It means if it is in green, then you will take a buy, and you can see a red sell, and the green one buy, and then red sell. And this is the market closing on Friday, and the market was closed. Okay, so guys, if you want to get hands on this indicator, this indicator is only provided based on the offer at a special price. Otherwise, still, if you don't want to buy it, no problem, you can join our signal group for free as well, and you can come to the premium group as well, VIP signal groups on Telegram. You can go to my website, and you can use that contact us option. You can contact on email and Telegram. Okay, and hopefully that if you just join my Telegram group, and if you're a gold trader, then I'm sure that you will be at least making money right from the Monday, because I share one free signal every day. And those who are in my group, they get a special advice from myself as well. And I also share 1 to 2 free signals, sometimes 3. It depends that how many signals are in front of me when I am during the working hours. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please, I suggest everyone to build yourself in a way where the people will be going to admire your work. Okay, so never be negative, and learn something from these videos, that if I am able to make such type of powerful indicator, then the same thing you can also do for yourself as well. You can improve your trading technique. Okay, so if I keep on looking at the negative factors of the people, then I will not be going to make money, and I will never be going to develop such powerful indicators. You can see that this is not a joke, because this is the very strong indicator. You can just see, just imagine, these signals are that how well these signals are, and they are actually, the market is actually moving on the fingertips of my indicator. So how this is possible? This is not possible, because this is gold, and gold does not care about you, but we have attract gold with our hard work, with our patience, and we are able to deliver these results, and my subscribers are very, very happy with the results. And I pray to God that you should also be going to make some money in future, especially on the most uncontrollable gold. We are controlling it in a very nice way, and we pray to God that our account that I have shown you here will keep on growing, because it will be because this was not a wise investment. $585, this is the very less investment, but I just put the small funds in the account so that I can prove my subscribers that you can make money on even on a small account with this indicator. Just you need to take a little bit care of the money management, and that's what I explain as well to my subscribers who get this indicator and who are especially into my Telegram group. So guys, hopefully you like this video. Please press the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much.